Welcome you guys to KC Web Tech Center. So today we will be looking at how to install our Divi theme into our WordPress or through our cPanel. So in today's we shall be looking in two ways: installing it through our dashboard or installing it through our cPanel, that is our file manager. So without wasting more time, we'll just dive into the practical and see how far we can go about it. Okay, please stay tuned while we begin. Okay, thank you. Now, this is our cPanel. Please make sure you purchase your cPanel. Once you have your cPanel, you can do this through your cPanel or through the dashboard of your WordPress. Now, remember the last time we talked about how to install WordPress into a directory. So I shall be using that directory to install this theme in my WordPress. You can either use a directory. That means if you don't have a primary domain, you just purchase a new domain. Please don't do the directory which I'm doing. Just do yours as exactly. I will be giving you the guide and the step on what to do. Okay, guys. So I'll be logging into my directory and my primary domain. This is my directory. My primary domain was at Ruda. Then remember the directory which I created was my accounts. Now I want this is the directory. If I open the directory, it will open. Sorry, my account's not correct. My accounts. Now /admin. So that admin you can either use WAP-admin. You can see it, WAP-admin. Now this one will open the dashboard. Click my enter. So it will open my dashboard. This is the dashboard of my directory. Remember, we installed WordPress into the directory, so it's giving us a login page where we can go to our dashboard. So I'll just put my username and my password. So click my enter. So the dashboard has opened. So this is my dashboard. So from here I can install my theme. So we'll just go ahead, go to my appearance, my theme. So your theme will appear in this nature. So you can see this theme. These are the theme that follows the WordPress. You can either use this, or if you want to use your customized theme, you just have to click add theme, then upload theme, then choose file. Then you locate where that theme is. You locate where your customized theme is. Mine is on my desktop. Then I look for the folder resource. Then this is my Divi theme. Then install. Then you give it time for it to install. Okay, so the installation theme is successful. So you can see theme installed successful. So the next thing for me to do is I have to activate this very theme. I'll just click on activate. Then my theme have been installed. You can see that new theme activated. So this is my Divi theme. Okay, so this is the first step to install your Divi theme through through the dashboard. Okay, so the next step which I will be doing how to install the Divi theme through your cPanel, then your file manager. You can also get that in either ways. Okay, so stay tuned while I do that also. But first I have to delete this. Once I delete this, then I will begin with how to install it through our cPanel. Okay guys, so stay tuned while. Okay, welcome guys. So you can see that it's no longer here in my dashboard because I've deleted it from my cPanel. Okay, I've deleted it. Now I want to go and install it through my cPanel. So the next thing for me to do is we'll go to my cPanel. This is my cPanel. Okay, this is my cPanel. Then I locate my file manager. This is my file manager. Locate it. Then you know, everything you are doing it under your public underscore HTML. Okay, you click on it. Once you click on it, then you locate, this is the folder, my directory, this is what, my account. Okay, hope you can see it, my account, there is it, my account. So we click on it, open the folder, then we click on WP content. You can see this WP content, you can see it. Okay, oh sorry, sorry, I have to go back there, my account, then WP contents, then you see your theme. Okay, you locate your theme, this is my theme. Then you see everything here is having these 3 folders. You see these 3 folders, they are the folders that comes along with your WordPress. If you go back to your dashboard, these are the three themes here, the things that followed along with your WordPress. So if I want to install my Divi inside here, so I'll just click on upload, select file, then you locate where the file is, this the Divi theme, then allow it to load. Once it's finished uploading, you will get a signal, it will be showing green. Okay, so it's loading while you just take a key while it continues to load. Okay guys, you can see it's showing me an error. It says already uploaded, already existed. So you uploaded already exists. Okay, so sometimes you encounter this error. Please don't be dismayed. So what you will do is this. Sometimes you will see it will be showing green. If it showing you this red, just go back. Then once you get it, see that it's already uploaded here. Okay, it's already uploaded, so it's here already. It means that what, it has been uploaded into what, the directory. So the next thing for you to do is click on, right click it, extract file, then close, then you reload. So this is the folder, Divi theme. If I come to my dashboard now, if I refresh this page, you can see this, my Divi theme is here. So I'll just look at what activates. So my Divi theme is what activated already. Okay, I can start using this theme to work. All right, now since it has been activated, so the next thing for you to do is to what, provide the API key, because once you're using a Divi theme, it comes along with API key. Okay, and okay, the next thing for you to do before you start using it to build your websites, the next thing is for us to what, supply this API key for it to be fully activated, because the API key is for life. There are some which comes with a month, 6 months, but others come with what, life API. So once you're able to get that live API, you don't have any issue of updating or whatsoever. So the next thing for us to do, we just put our API key. So you come down to this bar, you locate your Divi. This is my Divi. Okay, you come towards auction, Divi auction. So you give it time to load. So once you get here, after you click on your theme's auction, it will show you there. So the next thing for you to do, you locate your updates. These updates is a username and API key. So you get your API key where you save it from. Like mine, I have it in my resource here. My resource, I have it. This is the key. Okay, Divi key. Then next thing, you provide the username. This is the username. This is my username. Then supply it on my username. then I find the API key. I have two API key, I can use any one. Let me do this first one. Okay, so apply it, then save changes. You can see showing good, so I'll supply the API key. Now if you also want to change anything in the Divi, you can just navigate through this place, but we won't be doing that. So we have updated our API. The next thing, go to my dashboard. So when I get to my dashboard now, I want to start building my website. Before I can start building my website, the first thing for me to do is to what? Before this Divi can be used to build a website, you have to install a plugin, because it comes along with a plugin, and that plugin will enable it to be accessible. So what to do is this. So the next thing for us to do is what? Install this plugin, and that plugin is called Classic Editor. So I come to my plugin, install plugin. So if you don't have the plugin folder, you just have to install it through this WordPress. WordPress have a lot of plugins. So you click add plugins. Then you search for it in this search bar, Classic. So you just allow it to search itself. Once you just put the first word, it will bring out options. So Classic Editors. Okay. Okay, we'll go with this first one, Classic Editors, install. So it has been installed. So after installing, you just have to click activate. Once you install, you activate. Okay, so it has been activated. Classic Editor has been activated. Now the next thing for us to do is to we want to start building our website with this Divi thing. So next thing, go to your pages, add page. So once you click your add page, you want to start building our pages like home, about, contact us with this Divi theme. Now this is my add page. I want to put home. Okay, it's still loading, just allow it to load. Okay, while you wait. So I just have to refresh it. So you click on my home. Okay, once you click on home, you see use Divi Builder. Okay, you just have to click on use Divi Builder. So want to use Divi to build a website, so click on use Divi Builder, then give it time to load. Okay, you start building. Just give it time, it's loading. So yours might be faster than this depending on your network which you are using. Okay, just give it time. So once you finish loading, then you click browse layouts. So you choose the various theme here. Okay, so you choose any theme which you want here. You can see there are a lot of themes inside this Divi. Okay, almost 2,694 total layouts. We have 317 layout packs. Okay, so there are a lot of themes. You can see a lot of themes. You can see that this theme is really good. It's really good. One of the best theme to use in building our website. Now for a quick one, I'll just choose it. Just choose an ordinary one, then you see how it looks like. Then click on that. If you want to view how they say this layout, let's see how it look like. Okay, so it has been successfully uploaded, so we'll just wait. Okay, Now you can see everything has been installed into it. So the theme which we choose has been installed. Okay, so the next thing for you to do is what? Publish. Click on publish. It's still loading, so just give it time to load. While we give it time to load, you just take a chill. Okay, so it has been published. Okay, you can see it said page publish. Now if I want to view this page, I'll just click on this view page. Click on view page. I load here. You can see it's empty here. Okay, good and fine. But it's something I want to show you guys, because I'm viewing it through here. There's something I want to show you. Let me open it direct. I can't. You can see it's not activated. If I open the directory, if I open directly, it's not opening the page, the layout, that means the Divi theme which I installed. So what I will do, I just leave this. What I will do is, this is the main page. That is my normal domain / directory with my account. This is what is opening. But what I install is not opening. So you go back to your dashboard. Go back to your dashboard. Okay. Go to settings. Then you go to your readings. Your reading. Okay, you leave your latest post, your static page, a static page, then select first page, which is home. This is the home which I created. That, then save changes. Then it has been changed, so come back to your normal page, then refresh it. You can see it has been uploaded successfully. So you can see that you can from here start building your website. You can see how beautiful this theme is. Guys, you can see how beautiful this theme is. Wow, this is amazing. This is amazing. So you can see how beautiful it is. So this is how to install a Divi theme into your WordPress, and how to also activate the plugins into it, so you can start building your website. So guys, I hope you enjoy this tutorial. Please, if you find this tutorial interesting and helpful, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and make sure you hit that like button while you are with us to bring more tutorials to you. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Stay tuned while we come next.